Namaskar, I am your host Narayankar. Friends, right from our childhood, we all have heard about the famous saying, as you sow, so shall you reap. What goes around comes around. And the renowned Newton's law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Karma means action or deeds. If you do good to others, that good will come back to you. And if you do bad to others, that bad will come back to you. This is law of karma and it works unfailingly and in an unbiased way. Now, why am I saying this is that friends, you remember the ghastly and shameful attack in West Bengal. Mamta Banerjee's goon had attacked an 80-year-old woman named Nimta on February 27. She was hit on her head and neck and punched on her face by 3 TMC goons. Thereafter, she was admitted to an hospital and unfortunately today, she breathed her last after her discharge from the hospital 4 days back. Mamta Di, if you are a Brahman and a devout Hindu, as you had claimed after so many years in your political career, then I am pretty sure you also believe in the law of karma. That is, what bad deeds you do, that will come back to you. That's becoming quite obvious from your party's frustration of losing the election. Otherwise, there is no reason for your goons to resort to violence and trying you yourself to influence the election with a failed attempt to woo back one of your rebel TMC leader who had joined the BJP. The frustration is also getting obvious with the high voter turnout against your wishes is making yourself worry of BJP doing good in the first round of elections. So, the law of karma is already in works and Didi should know that karma never loses an address. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.